Okay, so I'm back working on my Lexus IS300, and today I have a bit of an interesting issue, right? What it is the car is making a pretty terrible sounding noise coming from the actual serpentine belt system. And upon looking it up and doing some research on it, I'm pretty sure it's because the harmonic balancer, the little rubber piece in the middle, is failing. The car is 20 years old, has 180,000 miles on it, and I beat the crap out of it. So I'm not too surprised if it's going bad, but at the same time, if it's not going bad, at least it did it. So, how do I know it's a little harmonic balancer? It wobbles quite badly, like really badly. So, I'm gonna get that done. So step one is to actually remove the serpentine belt. So I ended up getting a special tool, well I actually had that special tool laying around the house to do this. But it turns out just a long 14mm wrench and another wrench like this is the best way to loosen the serpentine belt pulley, or the idler pulley, belt tensioner, whatever it's called. So just like that, and then pull, and you can see it lose tension. I'm going to need to use my other hand and probably set the camera up for that. So right down here you can see the actual belt tensioner. What we want to do is put a 14mm wrench onto that, and then use that leverage, push that way, and have it let go of the tension on the serpentine belt so you can pull it off. Once the serpentine belt is off, then you can actually focus on getting the idler pulley off, or the harmonic balancer off. I'm not too sure how to work on that because of just how difficult it is to get to, or how tight it is. That worked way too easily. I'm kind of curious to see what kind of shape this belt is in, because when I bought the car, this belt was already on it, so I don't know how old it is, how messed up it is. It's not looking too bad. It's a little dry rotted, not too bad, but I'll replace it anyway. I don't want to put this thing back on the car. Okay, so it's actually been quite a while, as you can tell by the fact that the sun is setting now. And I've been trying to get this bolt off for I don't know how long. The bolt that actually holds the harmonic balancer slash main pulley or crankshaft pulley on the motor. So I couldn't get it off. Either the motor would turn or stuff would be loose or whatever. Point being, couldn't get it off. So the new idea is to have a shallow 22mm socket attached to a breaker bar and have the breaker bar be on the ground like that. So this is either going to come off nice and easy, or fling this rod and cause a lot of damage. So let's see what happens. I'm going to turn the key and hope that it will come off. Oh god, I hope this works. Don't break, don't break, don't break. Didn't think it worked, motherfucker. I think it didn't work. Holy fuck, it worked. It worked. Holy shit, it worked. Okay, I'm gonna see it and double check to make sure, but we'll see. So there's the pulley, and it worked. It pulled off the bolt. Oh my god. After all those hours I spent struggling with it, just coming right out. My mind is so blown. Holy shit. Holy shit. I should have just done that in the first place, but nope. Oh my god. That was amazing. Also, it's a big ass bolt. Oh my god. Now all I gotta do is put the pulley pull on there and pull the bitch right off. So simple. Oh my god. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration of what I'm going to be doing to the focus, or what I'm going to be doing on here to the pulley that's actually on the car right now. Just as a quick little demonstration, because it's a lot easier to show it when it's off the vehicle rather than doing it on the vehicle. So this right here is my my harmonic balancer puller, right? This guy goes right here, this goes into here, and then what you gotta do is get the bolts that come in the kit that will fit into these guys right here. So that goes right here, align these with these two, pop it in there, and turn them until it goes as far in as possible. Then what you do is, while on the vehicle, you turn these and have it push it out, right? So this will basically push it out. It's pretty simple, and hopefully it should work quite easily while it's on the vehicle. Hopefully. So I tried to put the harmonic balancer in there without pulling out the radiator fans. As you can see, it's kind of stuck in there. So the radiator fan will definitely have to come out to get the harmonic balancer in there and get it off. So there's that. There's only a couple bolts right here, 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 and some other places. And looks like the coolant overflow tank comes off too. Shouldn't be too bad. And I might need to pull this guy out too. So what I ended up doing is loosening the radiator, see if I can tilt it forward a bit, and get it to come out this way. So that should be enough to get to the harmonic balancer. Okay, so now the radiator fan shroud is out. I have enough space, do I? Yes. To put the actual harmonic balancer puller on there. Damn, that is a close fit to my radiator, about an inch away. Okay, so next step is just to pull off this harmonic balancer. Here's what the harmonic balancer is supposed to look like on an IS300 or any 2JZ car, and here's what mine looks like. Well, here's the other part too. But yeah, there's the difference. Now I'm just gonna put it on, put the bolt in, and finish putting it back together. Shouldn't be too hard. I'm at the point where I actually will put the actual harmonic balancer on and tighten it. But earlier I was having an issue where I couldn't tighten the thing without turning the motor. So what I ended up doing is wrapping the belt around and tensioning it using this way. So, what you do is you put the belt around it and then twist it either counterclockwise or clockwise, whichever direction you're going, and use the belt itself to hold the pulley. Okay, so the torque spec for this thing is 143 foot-pounds of torque. No, 243 foot-pounds of torque. There we go. That's torqued. Now what we need to do is follow this diagram. This goes here, like so. This goes like this, like so. And this goes like this. This. Like this. And it should come around just like this. hard part is getting the actual belt tensioner pulley to loosen up enough to slide it onto here. So what you do is, actually, I'm going to show it to you. There's just two wrenches I have. These two right here. You pop those on there to loosen or to let the tension off, and then everything should slip back on.